Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter has refused to be drawn into the debate over the recent death of the Banking Services Bill. The bill, which among other things sought to regulate banking fees and charges, was voted down recently by government members in the House. BOJ Governor Brian Winter was asked to comment on the issue today. He refused, but urged caution on attempts to regulate banking fees and charges.
We are not an economic regulator. We've not been one for a long, long time. That's what I'm saying. I mean, I can't say a lot about the subject because we're speaking about a debate that's either happened already, which we're not part of, but I'm committed to providing the advice that we're required to when it comes up. But what I do not want to do, and it would be wrong for me to do, is to be engaged in the controversy around this issue. We do not have a voice in this debate. We're not a part of it. Okay? We are a subject of it, perhaps.
Consumers will pay lower prices at the pumps this week. Petrojam has announced it will be cutting the price of a litre of gasoline by $1.27. The price of a litre of regular diesel is to go down by $1.10. A litre of low-sulfur diesel will decline by $1.13. Kerosene is down $1.35. Propane, however, is up $2.43, while butane is costing $1.23 more. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.33. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.37. The pound sterling, that's costing $178.04, while the euro is going for $156.77. The JSE index gained more than 1,969 points, while the junior market index gained 7 today. Stocks posting gains included Berger Paints, Caribbean Cream, Fosrich, Jetcon, Knutsford Express, Main Event Entertainment, Pulse Investment, Salada Foods, and Wisynco Group. On the losing end were Access Financial, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Lasco Manufacturing, Proven Investments, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.